In a database, your data is almost always never within a single table. For example, you may have orders within one place and customers within another place. SQL joins are how you bring that information together, and there are 5 different ways to do them called joins. Every join works by matching rows across 2 tables using a shared key attribute. In our example, we may have a customers table and an orders table that are linked together by customer ID. The key question that each join answers is what exactly happens to rows that don't experience a match. The first type of join is called an inner join, which is the most common join we deal with. It returns only rows where there's a match in both tables. If you have customers with no orders, they're gone. If you have orders with no customers, those are also gone. So an example query would be select star from customers, inner join orders on customers.id equals to orders.customerID. So you could think of it as an intersection. Only the overlap is going to survive. The next type of join we have is left join. That returns all the rows from the left table of our set plus any matching rows from the right. If we don't experience any matches on the right, then you get a null value by default. An example of this would be to select star from customers and then we left join on the orders table on the basis of the customer.id being equal to orders.customerID. That means that every customer will appear over those who never placed an order. And right join is going to be the mirror of that. So all rows from the right table and nulls where the left has no match. So in practice, most developers just flip the table order and use a left join instead. That's something good to note. Now a full outer join returns everything, meaning all rows from both tables. When there's no match on either side, you get null. For example, we may have a query select star from customers where we do a full outer join on the basis of customers.id equal to orders.customerID. So that means that customers with no orders are included and orders with no customers are also included, which means that none of the rows in both tables are left out. You use this when you need a complete picture of both tables regardless of matches. Now, the final type of join is called cross join. That serves as a wildcard as it returns a possible combination of rows from both tables with no condition required. So for example, we could use select star from customers and cross join products. So let's assume our table contained 5 customers and the other table contained 10 products. That means our cross join table would be the Cartesian product of those 2 tables will be 50 rows. And this grows fast, so we have to use it intentionally. The most common use cases for cross joins are for things like generating combinations, test data, or pairing every item in one table with every option in another. Over here, you will see the summarized conditions for each join type in this graphic. Now I'm showing all of the previous join query examples captured within one code snippet. This should give you a better idea of the previous examples we discussed. So to wrap it all up, inner, left, right, full outer, and cross. Those are 5 joins that operate on one rule, which is to always know what happens towards your unmatched rows. I'm making more SQL and data engineering videos like this. If you like this video, be sure as always to like, comment, share, and subscribe and mention your thoughts down below. I'll see you in the next one.